Hello everyone, I Vikram Vora welcomes you in this video, and this video will discuss about the Global Teacher Prize 2020. Surely it is a proudful moment for every Indian, but for Ranjit Singh Disale it is a special moment because he won the Global Teacher Prize 2020. So in this video we will discuss about the Global Teacher Prize, who conferred it, when it had been founded. Moreover, we will discuss about the journey of this teacher, how he reached from the scratches to the award winning ceremony, and how he provided the education to the underprivileged children in the society. But right now I have one question. Tell me, which of the Indian constitutional amendment provided RTE, right to education, as a fundamental right in India? You can type the answer into comment section. I will tell you the answer at the last of the video. So this prize is awarded by Workey Foundation. Workey is a Indian British. His full name was Sunny Workey. He in 2014 he thought that the teachers are less recognized for their exemplary works they are providing to the society. So in 2015 he set up the prize for those teachers who are significantly contributing to the society. So it is an annual based prize. The Workey Foundation is having the partnership with UNESCO as well. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Anyway, it is a United based foundation who conferred the prize to a teacher for his outstanding contribution for his profession. The prize was instituted in 2015. The prize money for that award is 1 million US dollar. If we convert this into Indian money, that will be around 7 crore rupee. So it is a huge amount. The nomination for the teachers for this award is worldwide open. Means teacher even can have their own nomination, because the Workey Foundation is having a judging academy for choosing the best teacher over the world annual basis. So this judging academy is consisting of education expert, commentators from the world, journalists from the world, company directors are from the various companies, and scientists even from the world. So this uh, team of expert is choosing the best of the teacher from the world. Let me tell you, this prize is generally referred as a Nobel Prize for teaching, because it's a highest kind of prize which conferred into the field of teaching. And when in 2015 the award was conferred, it was conferred to Nancy Atwell of USA for her outstanding contributions to the society in the education field. So let me tell you now the history of the journey of this teacher. So Ranjit Singh Disale is a teacher at Jila Parishad Primary School at a village Paritwadi, which is the village in Solapur in Maharashtra, who won this Global Teacher Prize 2020. He has been chosen as a winner from 12,000 nominations. More than 12,000 nominations were there, and these were from the more than 140 countries around the world. So we can imagine how the tough the competition was there. And when from the London through the video conferencing, the Global Best Teacher Prize announced as a Ranjit Singh Disale. Just after it, Ranjit Singh Disale announced that he will share half of the prize money among top 10 finalists. So it happened first time in the history of this prize over the 6 years of the history. So the prize money has been shared with the other top 10 finalists. So everybody also appreciated the compassion the Disale is having. Since in his childhood, Dasale wanted to become the engineer, but he did not get the desired college for engineering, so he had chosen the teacher as a profession. So when he joined the government school as a teacher, he found the little infrastructure there. So there was not attendance of the teachers, not the students were there, not the infrastructure was there. So he gradually tried to transform everything at there, the complete scenario of the teaching at there. His contribution to the society is also admired by the Microsoft even. He also worked to eradicate the child marriage in his village because that was quite prevalent in his society at there. So for the study purpose, what he did, he initially translated all the books into the local language so the students feel free to learn these books. This is also his idea to embed the QR codes in books, by which the students or children get the links for poems, video lectures of the books. So that was also his idea. Later on, initially it was adopted by the Maharashtra government first, then the central government also adopted the embedding of QR codes in every NCERT book. So for that innovation, he won the Innovative Researcher for the year 2016 in India. Surely, this is an inspirational story for everyone. It's an inspirational journey for everyone, especially for those teachers who are continuously contributing to make this society better. And really, I am feeling delighted to announce that I really feel to pay the gratitude to the teachers who provided the education to us, who made this world better for us. That's all from my side. Now the time for the answer of the question I had asked at the starting of the video. So it is the 86th amendment to the Constitution of India, which took place in 2002, which provided the right to education as a fundamental right. It is a fundamental right to the children between 6 to 14 years. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this video informative, please like it, subscribe this channel for more videos.